Hi, I'm Marna, and today we have a review. We found Oreo Halloween cookies made in Mexico with a Nabisco office in New Jersey. Okay, so they say boo, yeah, here's the cute packaging, blah, blah, blah. And now we're gonna open them, and the cameraman and I will take a look and a taste. I do like the pumpkin, if you can see that on there, and then the Oreo on the back. I do think that's cute. That's fun. Let's see if it's all pumpkin. Okay, there are 5 different ones. A pumpkin. That is supposed to be a witch on a broomstick with the moon. That one says boo with a ghost. This one says dare to dunk. And of course, a spider web. I think they're cute. I guess I'll have to eat all 5 to see if I like them. Oh wait, is this double stuff? That's pretty thick.
It is.
Well, let's take a look at it. And which one do I want to eat? I am gonna go with the pumpkin. So, here we go. That's a lot of cream filling. If you like thick cream filling, you will love these. Very tasty, tastes like a regular Oreo, not like the troll ones that had like cake icing. I like them. So, should you spend your money on what I spent my money on? Yeah, I put these out at Halloween. They're really cute. They'd be real cute on a little tray. Let's see what the cameraman says. Which one are you choosing?
I'll never look at it.
How about boo? Try boo. Can you hear the crunch in the background? And? All right. Was it worth the money?
Well, of course, it's an Oreo.
Thanks for watching. Halloween is coming so quick. What have you already bought for the Halloween holidays coming up? Leave it in the comments. Please leave a like and subscribe.